only one with this kind of car. Bro, look at all these cars. This man, 2 people even brought a taxi, bro. What's up, my guy? Hey, bro, do we win anything? Wait, can you? Oh, yeah, you can. This dude late. I think either that one or one of those. Or either that one right there or, well, one of those 3 are gonna win. Definitely not the events. Hold up. I think that's everyone. No, that's not everyone. There's a few people back there. Oh my gosh. Dude, I don't like when it does that. Alright, I have to record. Who's gonna win, bro? I don't like. When, I'm just gonna do something. I'm just gonna act out and see what they do. Because this is how I got kicked out last time from the server. By saying this. Winner. But hurry up and so back down. Bro, this thing is lagging so much. What is he doing? What is that? Is there anyone below us? No. There's this one person. Yeah, there's like a whole bunch of other people. Some at Civ Spawn and a few others there. But yeah. Well, that's me. I think he's the judge. Drill's hood. What? Hold on, I gotta get in this action, bro. Kicks. But it's kind of a normie car. Color is cool. Color is cool. Color is cool. That's all. 8 out of 10. That's sad. Hope I got it better. I hope I get it better. Oh, he's judging me next. I'm getting judged next. I'm getting judged next. What? He got, I don't like taxi, negative. Lol, that's sad. Who is this guy? Lover? Is he the admin? I think he's the admin. Let me check. So... It's better than that one. At least I got a 5 out of 10. Wait, they didn't do the everyone. That's sad, bro. Let me change the camera here. There we go. So I think that's the judge. Even I. Won the event. What? And I gotta go over there and talk some smack about him. It's car. Brakes, engine. Just gonna spam. That sucks, bro. Nah, bro, he's in a truck, bro. I mean, look at this. Look at this. Look at that. Compared to a truck. Bro, that's just like a normal truck, dude. You could probably get every single, like, literally every single dealership sells those. They don't sell these anymore. Anyway, let me go talk some smack again. Christmas event, bro. Come on, bro. Shoot. I don't have that much gas left, dude. I don't think I'm gonna make it, bro. I'm not gonna make it, dude. Yeah, I started it, like, late because thought it was just gonna be, like, vibing here. Yeah, so I just, like, randomly decided to start the live stream. A live stream. Did I get a hurry up? Roll, move. Bro, I'm new, bro. I like the first one here. I'm the only one here. It says the event is starting now. Nothing's happening, bro. I'm the only one here. Well. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can hear that. Please join the if you can. We are so close. VIP, how do you? Yeah, things here are expensive, bro. Well, just looks cool. Okay, come on, bro. I don't know why it keeps doing that. I'm just gonna put it like, and just like get rid of that. There we go. Oh yeah. Only when sun goes down, down. Peace, dun dun dun.